How's your first Jollibee meal? Miko. Miko. How's your first Jollibee meal?
Yummy.
Huh? It's not like McDonald's, right?
There's no rice in there.
There's no rice in McDonald's.
Only fries.
Oh, eat. Eat pa. Oh, first Jollibee experience. Mmm. Spaghetti you like? Mahilig ba spaghetti yan?
Mahilig parang hindi siya marunong na ano.
Kumain? Messi?
Hindi niya kayang sipsipin.
Eh di,
Rice baby.
yung sauce nun, kalat sa mukha.
Oh. Hindi ko naman ano ito eh, pinapakaan. Pinutubuhan ko lagi. Yung galon ng 310. 310, pababayaan lang.
Oh, what a mess, Miko, what a mess. What did you do? Look. What happened?
What happened?
Ah.
Mess. Diba? Mess. Sabi mo mess.
Say it, mess. Say mess.
Say mess.